Welcome back, guys. So today I'm gonna be doing this beautiful Chica's makeup, and I feel like today's makeup look is really something that was bubblegum inspired, and I really was inspired by the lippy that I wanted to use today, and you'll see that further down in this makeup video. So as you guys can see, I'm starting off with the brow portion as usual. Initially I was going to start off with the eyes first, but sometimes I usually do the face makeup first, like most of the times, but whenever I'm gonna do like a more dramatic eye, then I do the eye and then the face makeup. But somehow that slipped my mind on this day, and I ended up doing the face makeup first, which is absolutely not a problem. It's just easier to do the eye makeup first, as I said, because if you have fallouts and such, it can be a cleaner application. It can still be a clean application despite the order in which the makeup is applied, though. I'm just saying, to make life easier, yeah, that's what I've been doing. But as you can see, I applied her foundation, the highlights, and I'm going in with the contour shade and stuff, and I'm just making sure everything is well blended, so that everything looks seamless. That's the aim, to always have everything looking seamless. So now I'll move on to just setting the face and making sure everything is well mattified. You need to always make sure you set your creams and liquids, guys, because if you don't, you look oily and greasy. The makeup won't last, it will crease, it will not look flawless, and this is not what you want for your makeup, period. I know that's not what you want. And then I set the contour portion with some powder, contour powder. I move on into some baking, because this is what's gonna help to further set those highlighted portions, and also help to catch any eyeshadow fallouts from the eyeshadow application that I will be proceeding to. I also did a little bit of reverse contouring. Did not let that sit for very long. I don't usually let that powder sit for very long because I don't want it to be too casty. So I move on to applying some pink eyeshadow right up into the crease. Really blow this out and have everything very diffused. This is really as I said, the inspiration behind this whole look was the lipstick that I'm going to be using further down into the video, and I did not want to be boring and to be like, oh, nude lips today, so yeah. And I followed up with deepening the crease with some purple. I moved on to just doing a cut crease, which is just the vibe. Whenever you think about dramatic eye, it doesn't have to be cut crease, but cut crease is just the trend right now, and I really love cut creases. You can get really creative with them and stuff, and it's just a pop. So I moved on to just applying a very light pink shade for that area, and just made sure I patted that on carefully to the concealer that I applied. And I used my Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty in the tear duct area, and I kind of I brought it over onto the inner lid a little bit more there. I really love the way it was looking. I did her liner, and this really helped to just bring out her beautiful brown eyes, because she has gorgeous brown eyes, like dark brown eyes. So yeah, I also smoked out the lower portion of her lash line with more of that pink, and you guys can see how the contouring kind of just framed her face, like she looks more defined and chiseled, So of course, you guys know I need to spray her, in order to just have everything sitting more like skin, calming down all of that powder that I applied before. You don't want it to look powdery, so doing this whole step is very important for that. I went over top of that with illuminator, as you guys know, and just illuminated all the high points of the face. And then I moved on into just there was a spot there on the eyeshadow that I wanted to kind of pat out, so I did that. So now moving on to the lips, I'm using my Gaia lipstick today. Gaia Cosmetics lipstick. This is in the shade G-Net, and yes, this is the color that inspired the look. It's a beautiful bubblegum pink, and if you're interested in getting this or any other lippy from Gaia Cosmetics, you can go ahead and use Gaia Babe for 15% off. Yes, 15% off. I just went ahead and started applying this. You know, I'm just trying to, you know, usually you guys know that I definitely just do glossy lips or nude lips, but just trying to step out of the box, and I thought that this was a really girly and beautiful pink. It's just really gorgeous. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried my best to not make it drawn out and, you know, all that. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumb up. If you're interested in getting this or any Gaia Cosmetics lipstick, you can check my description box below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Bye.